Hello. Welcome to the world of anatomy. In this world, you're going to learn human anatomy with the models built in a Minecraft world. You can make a dissection of a heart, fly through the cardiac chambers and great vessels. The bone models were imported from clinical medical images and modified to visually fit in this world. It's serious. It is so gigantic, like a dino. Oh, but this is a human skeletal model. You can fly through the foramina and channels in the human skull. You can put the name tags on every important anatomical structure with a textbook detail. If you got difficulties in learning the path for cranial nerves and blood vessels in the head, we can help you by guiding you. Of course, we mind the neuroanatomy. We've got hole-mounted brains, as well as coronal, sagittal and horizontally sectioned models, where you can make connections for certain nervous pathways. The DEDs teach us